Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Project X. We got a 1990 Chev Shorty step side, 350 auto truck, original paint. This thing is fucking crazy clean. I got it a little while ago on trade for SS. Well, I guess the SS truck, if you guys been following the channel, that made the channel. But I took this on trade, trying to downside a little bit, so this one is for sale. It's got 84,000 original kilometers on it, about 52,000 miles for you Americans. This truck is crazy clean. If you look there, it's still got the soft ray original glass, and there's not a pit, chip, or nothing in this thing. This thing has been well loved its whole life. It's got a 4.6 drop. Just look inside here. All the sticker and information stuff's really nice. Charcoal interior, factory low back buckets. The interior is just mint. Zero rust on this thing. Like, I don't think this truck's ever seen a snowflake. Doors closed nice. You guys can hear that. It's super nice. It had a few things that were on the truck when I got it I didn't like, but it had a roll pan and black bumpers, but we put the factory stuff back on, got the factory correct Chevrolet decal on the back. It's got spray and liner on the floor and a rubber mat. Even listen to that tailgate, it closes nice. This thing has been loved its whole life. So if you guys want to message me or whatever, if you guys are interested in the truck, drop me a line, shoot you off some details on this thing. It is freaking beautiful. Thanks for stopping by and checking the truck out. We're going to catch you guys on the next video. I got a few more stuff coming up here that's cool and probably going to be for sale. So we'll check you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Share, like, and subscribe.